Subaru, undeterred by the mixed reactions to the latest generation WRX and its distinctive crossover-inspired design, is set to introduce a limited-run variant exclusively for the Japanese market. Named the WRX S4 STI Sport, this new model will be a rare find, with production limited to just 500 units. Enthusiasts eager to get their hands on this unique model will have the chance through a lottery system, open for entries from January 12 to 28. While the WRX S4 STI Sport shares its foundation with the regular version, it boasts a few exclusive features that set it apart. The price tag of 6,237,000 yen, approximately $43,000, and the limited production number are unlikely to dampen the appeal of this special edition. A standout upgrade includes the installation of 19-inch BBS forged wheels featuring a striking super black finish, paired with Michelin Pilot Sport 5 tires. The exterior enhancements continue with a redesigned black front grille, blacked-out badges, and a sleek black lip spoiler on the deck lid. Subaru has also treated the wing mirrors and roof antenna to a coating of crystal black silica paint. On the performance front, the WRX S4 STI Sport features a tower bar under the hood and a stiffening bar at the rear, contributing to its dynamic capabilities. The exclusivity extends to the interior, where each of the 500 units receives a bespoke treatment. Changes include a genuine leather-wrapped steering wheel adorned with silver stitching, shift boots featuring silver stitching, and specially designed Recaro seats in the front. These seats boast an ultra-suede material with contrasting stitching, which extends to parts of the instrument panel, armrests, and center console. Powering the WRX S4 STI Sport is the standard 2.4-liter horizontally opposed turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, mated to a continuously variable transmission. This powertrain delivers 271 horsepower and 277 lb-ft, 375 Nm, of torque, ensuring a thrilling driving experience for the fortunate few who secure this exclusive Japanese special edition.